Hey guys, welcome back to Crazy Gamers. Today I'm gonna show you how to change hair color in Realboxing 2. If you are new to this channel, make sure to subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon to be updated with our new videos. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, make sure you have downloaded the right application and after that open it. Next, you have to open your profile. And after that you have to click on inventory. Next you will see these options from which you have to choose head. Furthermore, you have to select face and then you will see hair option. You have to click on that. Something like this will appear on your screen from which you can adjust your hair color. After adjusting your hair color, you have to click on next and again click on save. So this is how you change your hair color in Realboxing 2. I hope you find this video helpful. If so, don't forget to give us a big thumbs up and we'll see you in next video. Till then, have a good day. Bye bye.